Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, quoting strings with single quotes. So, a string value in JavaScript may be written with single or double quotes as long as you start and end with the same type of code. Unlike some other programming languages, single and double quotes work the same in JavaScript. So double quote a string. This is a string within the double quotes. It's same as this is also a string within single quote. The reason why you might want to use one type of quote over the other is if you want to use both in a string. This might happen if you want to save a conversation in a string and have the conversation in quotes. Another use for it would be saving an anchor tag, a tag, with the various attributes in quotes, all within a string. Conversation in single quote Finn exclaims to Jake, comma, in double quote algebraic and exclamation mark and the string will be terminated with single quote and semicolon. However, this becomes problem if you need to use the outermost quotes within it. Means if you want to use single quotes also within the string, then it will be a problem. Remember, a string has the same kind of quote at the beginning and end. But if you have that same quote somewhere in the middle, the string will stop early and throw an error. Good string. Jake asks Finn, hey, let's go on an adventure. Here, when we are using the single quote, we are using backslash before this so that it escapes that character and it prints as it is in the output. Finn bad string. Example, Finn response, let's go. Here the single quote is not that did not start with the backslash, and that led to the end of the string before it should. In good string above, you can use both quotes safely by using the backslash as an escape character. Note that the backslash should not be confused with forward slash. They do not do the same thing. So get with let's just see the task for this challenge. Change the provided string to a string with a single quote at the beginning and end and no escape character. Right now, the anchor tag is the string in the string uses double quotes everywhere. You need to change the outer quotes to single quotes so that you can remove the escape character. So let's first remove double quote to single quote here and here. Now let's see a href. So remove the backslash here from here and from here, and in the same way we can also remove this from here and this backslash from here. So rest should be okay, and let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.